Have you ever wondered how dropshipping works and why it's so popular? Let's dive into the fascinating world of this modern retail strategy. Dropshipping is, in essence, a business model where the retailer doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a retailer sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. It's like being the middleman in a transaction, but with the power of e-commerce at your fingertips. The rise in popularity of dropshipping is tied to the internet's global reach and its potential for low startup costs. The digital age has made it easier than ever to connect with suppliers and customers worldwide, and with dropshipping, entrepreneurs can tap into this vast market without the need for storage or the upfront purchase of inventory. This is why a multitude of entrepreneurs are drawn to it. Dropshipping provides a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. Why should you consider dropshipping as your business model? That's the question on many minds, and the answer is simpler than you might think. For starters, dropshipping requires significantly lower startup costs than traditional retail models. No need for a brick-and-mortar store or a warehouse full of inventory. You only purchase a product when you've already made the sale and have been paid by the customer. This means you're not sitting on unsold goods or tying up capital in stock that may or may not sell. But it's not just about the money you're saving. It's also about the flexibility. With dropshipping, you're not tied down to a physical location. You can manage your business from your living room, a coffee shop, or even a beach in Bali. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This gives you the freedom to set your own schedule and work at your own pace. And let's not forget about the wide selection of products you can offer. Since you don't have to pre-purchase items you sell, you can offer an array of products to your potential customers. From fashion accessories to kitchen gadgets, there's no limit to what you can sell. This allows you to cater to various market niches and expand your customer base. Furthermore, dropshipping allows you to focus on what you do best, whether that's marketing, customer service, or product selection. You're free to hone your skills without the distraction of managing inventory or shipping logistics. But perhaps the most compelling benefit is the ability to test and adjust quickly. You can easily experiment with different products and marketing strategies without the risk of investing heavily in inventory. If something doesn't work, you can pivot swiftly and try something new. In a nutshell, dropshipping provides a unique opportunity to start and grow a business with minimal risk and maximum flexibility. It's a model that's adaptable, scalable, and, most importantly, accessible to anyone with the drive and determination to make it work. Dropshipping offers an attractive business model for those seeking flexibility and low startup costs. It's not just a business model, it's a lifestyle choice. Starting a dropshipping business might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. First, you need to choose your niche. Your niche is the specific area or product category you'll focus on. It's essential to find a niche that you're passionate about, but also one that's profitable. Don't just go for something you love, do your research. Check out trending products, see what's selling well, and identify gaps in the market where your products could potentially shine. After selecting your niche, the next step is to find a reliable supplier. This is a critical step, as your supplier will be responsible for manufacturing and shipping your products. You want to ensure you're partnering with someone who can deliver high-quality goods on time. Use platforms like Alibaba or Salehu to find suppliers, but always do your due diligence. Check reviews, order samples, and make sure they're a good fit for your business. Next, you need to create a website. Your website is your online storefront, so you want it to reflect your brand and your products. There are plenty of platforms out there that can help you build a professional-looking website even if you're not a tech wizard. Shopify, for example, is a popular choice for dropshippers thanks to its user-friendly interface and built-in e-commerce capabilities. But don't rush this step. Take your time to design a site that's easy to navigate, visually appealing, and optimized for conversions. Once your site is up and running, it's time to market your products. This is where you'll need to get creative. Social media is a great place to start. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Don't forget about email marketing either. Building an email list and sending out regular newsletters can be a powerful way to drive traffic and sales. But marketing isn't just about promoting your products, it's also about providing value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, how-to guides, or product tutorials. The goal is to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with your audience. Finally, don't forget to track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic, see where your visitors are coming from, and understand what's working and what's not. This data will be invaluable in helping you refine your strategy and grow your business. And that's it. That's how you start a dropshipping business. It might seem like a lot, but remember, every successful business started somewhere. By following these steps, you can set up your own dropshipping business and start selling products online. To effectively run your dropshipping business, you'll need the right tools and websites. Let's delve into the key resources that can make all the difference. Firstly, supplier directories are a must-have. Websites such as Alibaba and Salehu are treasure troves for dropshippers. These directories connect you with numerous suppliers around the globe, offering a vast range of products. As you browse through these platforms, you can compare prices, assess quality, and negotiate deals, all from the comfort of your home. Next, we have e-commerce platforms, which are essentially your online storefronts. Shopify is a popular choice among dropshippers, thanks to its user-friendly interface and robust integrations. It allows you to set up your online store quickly and easily, even if you're not tech-savvy. Other notable platforms include WooCommerce and BigCommerce, each with their unique features and benefits. Now, onto marketing tools. These are crucial for promoting your products and attracting customers. Tools like MailChimp for email marketing, Canva for creating eye-catching visuals, and Google Analytics for tracking your website traffic all play a vital role in your dropshipping journey. But that's not all. There are also product research tools like Oberlo and Spocket. These platforms help you discover trending products that have high profit margins. They also streamline the process of adding these products to your online store. And let's not forget customer service tools. Platforms like Zendesk and live chat can help you manage customer queries and complaints more effectively, ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Lastly, consider investing in automation tools. Tools like Zapier can automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. For instance, you can set up an automation to send a follow-up email to customers who abandoned their shopping carts. With the right tools and websites, managing your dropshipping business becomes a breeze. Remember, the key to a successful dropshipping business lies not just in choosing the right products, but also in leveraging the right tools and platforms to manage and grow your business. Success in dropshipping doesn't come overnight. It requires planning and strategy. Let's dive into some tips that can set you on a path to success in this business. First, choosing the right niche is essential. The world of dropshipping is vast and competitive. You need to find a niche where you can stand out, where your product or service answers a specific need or want. Research is key here. Look at market trends, customer interests, and competition before you make a decision. Next, offering excellent customer service can't be overstated. The customer may not always be right, but they're always important. Remember, in the world of dropshipping, your customers can't physically touch or see your product before they buy. Thus, building trust through excellent service is paramount. Respond to queries promptly, resolve issues efficiently, and always strive to exceed customer expectations. Finally, never underestimate the power of effective marketing. It's not enough to have a great product, people need to know about it. Invest in marketing strategies that work for your niche. This could be search engine optimization, social media marketing, or even influencer partnerships. Remember, the road to success is often marked by failures and setbacks. But with persistence, a keen eye for detail, and a customer-centric approach, you can carve out a successful niche for yourself in the dropshipping world. While dropshipping offers a lot of opportunities, success ultimately depends on your effort and strategy. Dropshipping provides a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs of all types. It's a business model that opens doors to profitability without the need for stockpiling inventory. We've delved into its benefits, the process of starting, and shared the essential tools and websites that will aid your journey. And remember, success lies in staying current and adapting to market trends. If you found this video helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.